back to my channel, Study with Afia. Okay, let us now see IGCSE Math, Algebra, Simultaneous Equations. Okay, so there are two types of simultaneous equations. One is elimination method and substitution method. Today we'll see elimination method with questions from past papers. Let's begin with question number 1. 2x plus y is equal to 7 and 2x minus y is equal to over 2 is equal to 17. First of all, we'll convert these fraction equations into linear equations, okay? At that time, 2 will multiply with the 7. So 2x plus y is equal to 14. And the second equation become 2x minus y is equal to 34, okay? Let's solve this equation. 2x plus y is equal to 14. 2x minus y is equal to 34. Choose the variable. It has different sign, okay, plus and minus. So it is easy to eliminate this variable. Therefore, cancel this variable and add 2x plus 2x become 4x, which is equal to 34 plus 14. So 8 and 48. Divide by 4 on both of the sides. So we have to make x value, therefore 12. So we received x as 12 here. So let's find out what is the value of y. Let's take any one equation from here. Therefore, 2x plus y is equal to 14. So 2 into 12 plus y is equal to 14, or y is equal to 14 minus 2 12s are 24. Therefore, y is equal to minus 10. All right. So we received y as negative 10. Moving on to the question number 2. We have to convert into the linear equation form. If you look at this, 2y is written first. So if you wanted to convert into the same way as x first and then y and then the constant, just do some changes over here. Like 2y minus x is equal to minus 10. Or you can even write like this, minus x plus 2y is equal to minus 10. Okay. So I will take the equation number 1. 2x plus y is equal to 5. And my second equation, which is going to be minus x plus 2y is equal to minus 10. So if you wanted to cancel either x or a y, so I will go with the x because I have plus and minus here. I need to make the coefficient same, isn't it? So I will multiply this by the coefficient of this as 1. Okay. I will multiply this equation with the coefficient of x as 2. Therefore, it will become 2x plus y is equal to 5. And then minus 2x plus 4y is equal to negative 20. Therefore, this will cancel. And you left with the 5y is equal to plus 5 minus 20, which is minus 15. So if you divide by 5 on both of the sides, therefore y is equal to minus 3. So we got the answer for y as negative 3. Now take any one of the equation, or either this equation or this equation, any one of them. So I'm going to take this first equation. Therefore 2x plus y is equal to 5, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5. Negative 3 become positive 3 when it goes to the other side. Divide by 2 on both of the sides. Therefore, x is going to be 8 by 2, which is going to be 4. Therefore, value of x is going to be 4. Okay. Let's look at the third problem. 5x minus y is equal to negative 10. X plus 2y is equal to 9. So here, if you look, I have a variable y with the different sign. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by the coefficient of this and multiply this equation by the coefficient of minus 1, which is 1. Okay. Therefore, 10x minus 2y is equal to minus 20. Then x plus 2y is equal to 9. Okay. As a result of that, you can cancel this. And 11x is equal to minus 20 positive 9 minus 11. So divide by 11 on both of the sides. Therefore, x is going to be negative 1. X is going to be negative 1. Now let's find out the value of y by choosing any one of the equation here. Therefore, 5x minus y is equal to negative 10, or 5 into minus 1 minus y is equal to negative 10, or minus 5 is equal to minus 10. You want to make y as a subject. So minus y is equal to minus 5. This minus 5 will go to the other side as plus 5. So y is equal to minus 5. Minus minus cancel. Therefore, y is equal to plus 5. Therefore, you will write the answer for y as 5. Okay. Let's see the question number 4. Well, I will choose the variable y because I have a different sign here. So I multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 1. As a result of that, we'll get 9x plus 3y is equal to 90, and then 2x minus 3y is equal to 53. Therefore, you can cancel this, and 9x plus 2x is going to be 11x, which is equal to 90 plus 53. So 90 plus 53, use your calculator. 90 plus 53, which is going to be 143. 143 if you divide by 11 on both of the sides. So x is going to be 143 divided by 11, which is going to be 13. Okay, which is going to be 13. Now take any one equation and solve for the value of y, which is 2x minus 3y, which is equal to 53. So 2x, so 2 into 13 minus 3y, which is equal to 53, or 2 13s are 26, right? So 26 minus 3y is equal to 53, or minus 3y is equal to 53 minus 26, and divide by minus 3 on both of the sides. Therefore, y is equal to 53 minus 26. 53 minus 26 divided by minus 3, which is going to be negative 9. Okay, which is going to be negative 9. Hence, write the answer as negative 9. Now we have next question. Our fifth question is going to be x minus 5y is equal to 0. 15x plus 10y is equal to 17. So here, I'm going to cancel the variable y. So I'm going to multiply the first variable by 2. So I can make 5 as 10 by multiplying by 2, right? Therefore, 2x minus 10y is equal to 0. Anything into 0? 0. And 15x plus 10y is equal to 17. Okay, so cancel this. So 17x is equal to 17, and divide by 17 on both of the sides. So x is going to be 1, isn't it? X is going to be 1, because I have to make 17x is equal to 17, divide by 17 on both of the sides. So you will get x as 1. Now take any one simple equation to get the value of y. So 1 minus 5y is equal to 0, or 1 is equal to 5y divided by 5 on both of the sides will let you y is equal to 1 over 5. So write the equation as 1 by 5. And if you look at this problem, I can again cancel my elimination by using elimination method. I can cancel my variable y. But if you look at this, I can multiply by the coefficient of y from the second equation as 3, and I can multiply this equation by 2. As a result of that, what you can write down? 3x plus 6y is equal to 9, and 4x minus 6y is equal to 13 2s are 26. So 26. Therefore, 7x is equal to 9 plus 26 plus 26, which is going to be 35. Therefore, I will divide by 7 on both of the sides. Therefore, x is going to be 5. X is going to be 5. Now take any one equation. X plus 2y is equal to 3. Therefore, 5 plus 2y is equal to 3, or 2y is equal to 3 minus 5. Divide by 2 on both of the sides. As a result, y is equal to minus 2 by 2 and is equal to negative 1. So I write the answer of minus 1. So question number 7. If you look, this is kind of different problem because we don't have any sign for the we don't have different sign for the variable. We are having same sign here, right? So what we can do, we can bring the we can change the sign of the second equation. As all of them are positive, I can make all of the second equation as minus minus minus. As a result of that, I can cancel this. Okay, so I'm going to get 5y minus 3y, which is going to be 2y. Or if you want me to rewrite the expression before I cancel them, I can do that. Okay, so minus, I changed it, right? As a result of that, my equation is going to be x plus 5y is equal to 22, and minus x minus 3y is equal to minus 12, right? So now you can see I can cancel this. 5y minus 3y is going to be 2y, and 22 minus 12 is going to be positive 10. If I divide by 2 on both of the sides, I'm going to get the y as 5, right? I received my y as 5. Now I have to get my value of x, right? Therefore, x plus 5y is equal to 22. Therefore, x plus 5 into 5 is equal to 22, or x plus 25 is equal to 22, right? 5 into 5. Therefore, x is equal to 22 minus 25, which is x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, I will write my symbol as minus 3. So, once again, I'm having the same type of problem here. So, I need to change. First, I will multiply and then I will change the sign. Okay. So, I will multiply the second equation by 3 in order to make the same coefficient for the x. I will multiply the first by 1. As a result of that, there is no change to the first equation, which is remain as it is. And the second equation become 3x plus 21y is equal to 56 times 56 times 3 is going to be 168. Okay, 168. And now I will change the sign of the second equation since all of them are positive. See, plus, plus, plus. So I will make the sign the second equation only as minus. Okay, as a result, I can cancel this, and 5y minus 21y. It will become 5y minus 21y, which is going to be minus 16y. Minus 16y is equal to 24 minus 168. 24 minus 168, which is going to be minus 144. Therefore, if I divide by minus 16 on both of the sides to get my value of y, which is going to be 144 divided by 116, which is going to be 9. Therefore, the value of y is going to be 9. And then to get the value of x, I will substitute y as 9 in this expression. 7 into 9 is equal to 56, right? It's not 53, it's 56. So it is going to be 56, right? Therefore, x is equal to 56 minus 9 sevens are 63. So x is going to be minus 7. Minus 7. Okay, so x is going to be minus 7, y is going to be 9. Okay, so let's solve one question with the decimals. Okay, so your first job is to make the coefficient same. So as a result of that, I will multiply the first equation uh, by 0.2, and I will multiply the second equation by 5. Therefore, 0.2 into 0.4, 0.08x minus 0.2 into y. So 27 times 0.2, which is going to be 5.4, which is going to be 5.4, and 10x plus 5 into 0.2, which is going to be 1, plus y is equal to 9 into 5, which is 45. Therefore, I can cancel the y, and they both are positive, so it will become 10 plus 0.08, 10 plus 0.08, which is going to be 10.08 x is equal to 45 plus 5.4. 45 plus 5.4, which is 50.4. Divide by 10.08 and 10.08. Therefore, x is equal to 50.4 divided by 10.08, which is going to be 5. So I get the value of x as 5. Now let's get the value of y. Okay. Therefore, I'll take any equation you can take, not a problem. Therefore, 2x plus 0.2y is equal to 9. So 2 into 5 plus 0.2y is equal to 9. So 0.2y is equal to 9 minus 10, which is 0.2y is equal to minus 1. And dividing by 0.2 on both of the sides will give you y is equal to minus 1 divided by 0.2, which is going to be negative 5. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, did not understand or anything, please comment below so I can solve with the more examples.